You've heard about it, and maybe you even tested it out. Now is the time to dominate. This is James from Legacy Business Partners, and I'm going to show you how to engage with your audience using ChatGPT marketing. Now, this is just a clip of an overall class that I did, a live class, about 40 minutes long. You can check the whole thing, but for those who just want to see, the sections from the class, this is how to engage with your um, uh, this is how to engage with your customers using ChatGPT marketing. I have other ones that you can watch as well, but today this is where we at with it. All right. So first thing is with ChatGPT, it's all about prompting, right? And so whatever you put is what you're going to get back. So the more information you can give it to prompt it for better feedback, the better your content is going to be. And the first thing is tone. You want it to have a conversational tone. You don't want it to sound like a bot. You don't want it to be repetitive, because again, it is a machine. So you want it to write in a conversational tone so that it reads in an engaging way for your target audience. You want to avoid using over technical language and jargon that your audience may not understand, or it may just be a turnoff for them, right? So make sure, however you're prompting ChatGPT, you give it a tone. You give it a way to think, right? Like you may say, write it in the framework of FOMO, which is fear of missing out. Um, that's a tone of writing. That's a way of advertising. And so that's very important. Tone is very important. You always want to incorporate visuals. And this is one of the really amazing things about ChatGPT. You can ask it to give you images, image ideas, what would look good with this ad, and it'll tell you. It can even create images, and it can give you scripts. There's so many different things that ChatGPT can do from a visual standpoint, and I highly encourage that you test it out, mess around. Don't be cheap though. You want to get the paid version of ChatGPT because there's more you can do, the access that you have. And again, this is one of those things you do not want to be left behind on. You're already making the first step by wanting to learn more about ChatGPT marketing. So do yourself a favor. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Get the paid version. Make it happen. Okay. And again, I'm not making any money off of it, but it's definitely what you want to do. The next thing is you want to edit and refine. This is very important. There's plagiarism, there's misinformation, and then there's a lot of repetitiveness out there as well. And so you want to be mindful of all these things. There's even AI detection bots that, if you're writing articles for other publications, you definitely want to run it through another software, or at least give it a human rewrite, because there are AI bots, detection bots out there that are on the lookout for just AI written content. So make sure you edit and refine your content. Um, again, pay attention to the structure, the formatting, the tone. These are all very important things when it comes to creating engaging content on ChatGPT. I have other classes, sections that you could check out. We talk about, successful examples. We talk about understanding your audience. We talk about different prompts. I even have an ebook that gives you the best ChatGPT marketing prompts for your business. This is email, social media, SEO, product launches, general marketing prompts that'll help you get better results, help you reach your customers more efficiently. So check that out on my website, Legacy Business Inc. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.